Okay, next design of sunk keys. How to design sunk keys? Okay, first we consider shear strength. Okay, in this consider shear strength. T is equal to force into radius of shaft. Force into radius of shaft. How to find out force? Find out the force into radius of the shaft. Force into radius of the shaft, find out the force. Shear stress, force is equal to like right here, force is equal to shear stress into shear area. This is a force. Okay, first T is equal to force into radius of the shaft. Then first of all, force. What is force? Force is denoted by F is equal to shear stress tau into area, shear area A. Okay, this is a force. Next, radius of the shaft. Radius of the shaft is denoted by R, small r or capital R. R is equal to D by 2. Okay, let's substitute these formulas in a T equation. T is equal to force into radius. Force is equal to tau into A into R is equal to D by 2. Okay, R is equal to D by 2. Let's if you want to find out the shear stress, let's shear stress tau is equal to, is denoted by tau is equal to 2T by A into D. Okay, this is a tau is equal to 2T by A into D. Actually area shear area, actual shear area is equal to shear area formula. Shear area is equal to length into width. Length is denoted by L, width W. Okay, let's substitute 2T, tau is equal to 2T by L W D. Okay, let's see, tau is equal to 2T by L W D. Okay, this is a tau. Next, if you want to find out the diameter D, then using this equation, if you want to find out the D, let's using this equation, like our equation is T is equal to tau W L D by 2. Okay, WL, what is WL? Area. Then D is equal to 2T by tau W L. Okay, this is a considering shear strength. Next, okay, next step is this step 2, considering crushing strength. Using this considering crushing strength, T is equal to compression stress into area of the compression of key into radius of the shaft. In this one, compression stress is denoted by sigma C. Okay, area of compression is denoted by A is equal to length into T by 2. Okay, next, radius of the shaft is denoted by R is equal to D by 2. Okay, using this one, find out solve T is equal to compression stress is denoted by sigma C into area of the compression of shaft is equal to L into T by 2 into radius of the shaft d by 2. Okay, let's see. T is equal to sigma c L T d by 4. Okay, using this equation, if you want to find out the sigma c is equal to 4 into t by LTD. Okay, let's find out using crushing strength. Find out D using crushing strength. D is equal to 4t by LT sigma c. Okay, this is using considering crushing strength. Okay, next step. Okay, next proportions of rectangular Sankhi. If find out the D, after finding the D using last equations like considering strength, considering crushing strength. Okay, after finding the D using these proportions, find out the rectangular Sankhi dimensions. Okay, if you want to find out the rectangular Sankhi using this one, proportions of the rectangular Sankhi. In this proportions of rectangular key, width of key is denoted by W is equal to D by 4. If D is equal to like 40, then substitute 40 by 4. Let's answer is 10. Width is 10. Okay, like this. Next, thickness of the key. After finding the W width, substitute the W value in this equation. T is equal to 2 by 3 W. Like W is the width is 10. Okay, let width is 10. Then substitute 2 by 3 into 10 like this. Okay, next torque transmitted by shaft. Torque, if you want to find out the torque using this one, like if you don't know the D, then find out D using this equation. Okay, and another also resisting torque of key. This is the shaft, torque transmitted by the shaft. This one is a torque transmitted by the key. Okay, this torque transmitted by the key is denoted by T is equal to width into L into tau into D by 2. Okay, after finding the width, then substitute width and L. Okay, what is the L? Okay, how much L is equal to pi D by 2. Pi D by 2, substitute D in this equation. L is equal pi D by 2. Let's 1.571 D. Okay, this is the proportions of rectangular key. Next we go for the proportions of gib headed key. Thank you.